After more than 3 decades in the machining industry, people have got used to us. Through periods of high growth and development, we were right there at the front. And through times of uncertainty and doubt, we stared adversity in the face, unshakable. We have developed a thick skin, an amazing ability to move forward with determination. Every step in our journey has left a mark on us and in the market. Over many years, we have developed great partnerships, invested in development, reinvented ourselves a few times, all in the interest of being here for the next generation of machine users, all in the interest of being here for you. Nowhere in the world will you find a team more determined to be around for 100 years. And we know we will, through the quality of our products, through the strength of our partners, through the unbeatable value that we offer. Manford. Power and determination.